Hi all, welcome to T&D Style. We will see crepe set collection. Contrast crepe set collection. This is set purchase WhatsApp purchase. Different pattern 4 shades. First is reddish maroon color. Yoke pattern is thread work, mirror work set. Yoke pattern is work yoke pattern work highlight thread work, mirror work, batik print thread work. Yoke pattern. Batik print front multi color batik print top front full over all over multi color batik print small colors stitch top in the back batik print white color batik print top in the front back batik print top crepe fabric length width top top in the length 48-49 top length. Dupatta is multi-color dupatta. Dupatta is the batik print contrast color, yellow, mango, reddish maroon color. Dupatta is 2.4. Bottom is batik print bottom, crepe fabric bottom. Price is 1550 with free shipping. Next is a dark maroon. Maroon is multi-color batik print. Yoke is a thread work, mirror work highlight. Yoke is work thread work, multi-color thread work, mirror work. Top full front full mirror work. Top in the back batik print top in the back white color batik print. Dupatta is a color shade, a contrast set dark orange, maroon color combination is dupatta. Multi-color dupatta full all over batik print dupatta is crepe fabric. Bottom is a dark orange crepe fabric bottom full batik print batik print bottom and top stitch. Price is 1550 with free shipping. Next is black. Black is yoke work. Yoke full multi-color thread work. Mirror work. Top in the front multi-color. Mirror work. Dupatta is double shade. Next is black. Black is multi-color work. Batik print thread work multi-color. Top in the back white color batik print. Color change setting same work. Dupatta is contrast dark maroon black color combination. Dupatta is multi-color batik print. Dupatta is length. Bottom is printed bottom. Crepe Georgette top and bottom dupatta is crepe fabric. Price is 1550 with free shipping. Blue blue multi-color batik print thread work mirror work highlight bottom is grama green color bottom. Next is navy blue shade navy blue multi-color batik print mirror work thread work top party variety use crepe set multi-color contrast dupatta grama green blue shade dupatta. Bottom is crepe fabric bottom is batik print bottom. Price is 1550 with free shipping. We have set party variety use beautiful set contrast crepe set. Set purchase WhatsApp purchase. YouTube video like, share, subscribe. Thank you.